In this video, we're looking at our solid brass shower head holders, which are a great replacement for your worn out or broken shower head holders for your handheld shower head sets. Designed and tested right here in San Diego, California, we believe this is one of the most heavy-duty plumbing fixtures that you'll find anywhere. We'll start by unboxing the shower holders and then explaining the features. Here's our chrome shower holder bracket, made from solid brass, of course, and you have your instructions, very easy to follow. Teflon tape included for a leak-free seal. And then the solid brass shower holder bracket. From the hook to the threaded fitting, it's solid brass. It's not going to crack, break, or leak. The hook is uniquely designed to be a universal mount, fitting most handheld shower heads. The pivoting ball is adjustable, so it can be moved up, down, left, and right, so you can find your perfect shower head angle. There is a brass tightening ring, which can increase or decrease the tension of the pivoting ball. Inside of each shower holder bracket is a pre-installed rubber washer to provide an extra level of seal so you don't have any leaks. And that is our solid brass shower holder bracket in chrome. Now that we've seen our chrome shower holder bracket, I'm going to show you our brushed nickel and oil rubbed bronze shower holder brackets. They're exactly the same features, just different finish. So, instructions, Teflon tape, solid brass. This is the brushed nickel finish, which again, the hook is a universal mount that fits most handheld shower heads, and it's a beautiful brushed nickel finish that matches stainless steel, brushed nickel, satin nickel, and is an excellent replacement part. Here is our oil rubbed bronze shower holder bracket. Instructions, Teflon tape. Again, same exact features as we talked about with the chrome shower holder bracket. It's a beautiful oil rubbed bronze finish, which goes great as a replacement part for your Mediterranean bronze, your Venetian bronze, and really has a nice, rich bronze finish. Again, the hook fits most handheld shower heads, so it's an excellent replacement if you're just trying to replace or upgrade your existing shower head holder bracket. So there you have it, our solid brass shower holder brackets in chrome, brushed nickel, and oil rub bronze. So no matter which finish you're trying to upgrade or replace, we have them for you. Thank you for checking us out at HammerHead Showers, the leader in solid metal shower heads and accessories.